What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Consumer Picks, your go-to spot for the smartest gear, the realest reviews, and the absolute best tools on the market. And today, we're talking about something that every DIYer, home fixer, and gadget lover needs in their kit: electric screwdrivers. But not just any screwdrivers. We're breaking down the very best electric screwdrivers of 2025. From heavy-duty beasts that can rip through metal and bolts, to compact precision tools that feel like they were made by NASA. We've tested them all. Whether you're decking out your workshop, assembling furniture, upgrading your gear, or just tired of twisting your wrist off with a manual driver, these tools are about to change the way you work. We're ranking the top 6 electric screwdrivers, from budget-friendly champs to next-level tech, with real-world testing to back it up. Product links are down in the description, so if anything catches your eye, don't wait. Grab the one that fits your needs. And hey, if you love getting the best gear without the guesswork, smash that subscribe button and join the Consumer Picks crew. Let's power up your toolkit, starting right now. Kicking off our list is the Durofort 8V cordless screwdriver. Now, this one surprised us, in a good way. It's easily the most affordable option here, but don't let that low price tag fool you. With 5.5 Nm of electric torque and up to 10 Nm manual, it's more than capable of handling everyday jobs around the house, in the workshop, or even at the office. It has a 10-speed gearbox that gives you precision when you need it and power when it matters. Plus, it can drive up to 300 screws on a single charge, so you're not constantly running back for the charger mid-project. That alone makes it a killer choice for DIYers on a budget. Oh, and it comes with 89 bits, including a flexible shaft and nut adapter. You've basically got every screw type covered, and in those tricky corners too. Users love its 2-in-1 grip design that switches from pistol to inline, making it super versatile for all kinds of angles and tight spaces. For a budget pick, the Durofort punches way above its weight. At number 5, we've got the LifeGoo Mini Electric Screwdriver, and this one is a must-have for precision work. Think electronics, glasses, watches, or anything that requires a light but accurate touch. It delivers 0.25 to 0.35 Nm of torque electrically, and you can manually boost it up to 3 Nm if needed. What really makes it stand out is the 48-piece bit kit it comes with, including standard and extra long bits, perfect for those hard-to-reach places in small appliances or tight enclosures. The design is ultra-compact and lightweight, but still packs a punch with 200 RPM speed and a reliable 350 mAh battery. Users love its clean look, smooth handling, and the value for the price. It's not trying to be an industrial workhorse, it's a specialist, and it does its job flawlessly. Coming in at number 4 is something a little more high-tech, the Aeromax SES Max. If you're a fan of sleek design and smart functionality, this is the screwdriver for you. The motion control tech is a game-changer. Press the bit into the screw, apply a little pressure, and the screwdriver figures out whether you're tightening or loosening. That's it. No fiddling with buttons. It's intuitive, fast, and incredibly satisfying. It's also got an OLED display, USB-C charging, and can handle up to 900 precision screws on one full charge thanks to its 500 mAh battery. 4 built-in LEDs help you work in dim spaces, and the torque output is just right for electronics, gadgets, and light-duty repair work. If you're someone who appreciates clever design and premium usability, the SES Max is basically the Apple Watch of electric screwdrivers. Number 3 on our list is the Hodo electric screwdriver, and it strikes the perfect balance between power, design, and price. This one feels like a heavy-duty tool the moment you pick it up, thanks to its aluminum alloy body and ergonomic grip. It's got 3 adjustable torque settings, a shadowless LED ring light for working in tight or dark corners, and USB-C charging. No more hunting for obscure cables. It delivers 0.25 to 3 Nm of torque, and with a speed of 220 RPM, it's got just enough bite to get through small to mid-sized projects without damaging your work. Whether you're building furniture, upgrading your PC, or tinkering in the garage, the Hodo is a stylish, capable all-rounder. Coming in hot at number 2 is the DeWalt 20 VMAX XR Impact Driver, a beast of a tool for anyone doing serious work. This isn't just an electric screwdriver, it's a full-on impact driver, delivering a massive 1,025 Nm of torque and up to 3,050 RPM. If you've ever struggled to loosen a rusted bolt or drive a thick screw into hardwood, this is the tool that'll laugh in the face of resistance. It also has 3-speed settings, brushless motor, and bright LED lights so you can power through tasks even in dim conditions. Yes, it's a little bigger and heavier, but it's built for power and it delivers every single time. Perfect for pros or hardcore DIYers, this thing can even take on lug nuts. Trust me, I've done it. And taking the top spot, the Bosch Geo 3, our pick for the best all-around electric screwdriver of 2025. It improves on everything the original Bosch Go was praised for. The battery has been boosted to 2.0A. You've got a much welcome USB-C port instead of outdated micro USB, and Bosch added a ring light, more torque settings, and improved ergonomics. It's perfect for general use. Furniture assembly, wall mounting, electronics, repairs, you name it. And it's got enough control that you won't strip screws or damage soft materials. The compact design makes it easy to store. And the neat, durable carry case makes it even better for tossing into your toolkit or keeping in the garage. If you want a screwdriver that balances performance, portability, durability, and price, the Bosch Geo 3 is the no-brainer pick. Alright folks, that wraps up our list of the best electric screwdrivers of 2025. From precision minis to construction site beasts, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're fixing up your home, building out a workbench, or just need a smarter way to turn screws, one of these tools will absolutely get the job done. All the product links are in the description below, so if you found your perfect match, go check them out. And if you love smart tools and no BS product reviews, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching Consumer Picks, and I'll catch you in the next one.